And now it is a moment of truth. Your Serene Highness, can you please reveal who has won the title of World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year 2019?
With pleasure. The World Athletics Female Athlete of the Year is Delilah Muhammad.
The World Athletics Male Athlete of the Year is Eliud Kipchoge.
Well, sadly, Eliud couldn't join us here in Monaco, but all fingers crossed, technology is working, and he's on the line from Kenya, and we can talk to him now. Eliud, are you there?
I'm there.
It's great to see you. They said it could not be done, but you proved them wrong. The first man to break 2 hours for the marathon, it must feel incredibly special.
It was really special. The day was really cool. I'm happy to be the first human being to run under 2 hours, and I hope I inspired a lot of generation. It was about human family, and I trust that from today onwards, everybody will be positive in life, and in general, I'm really happy for making history. First is that I'm happy to be the first human being to run under 2 hours. That's to break the barrier. And above all, that I think it was a big inspiration to the whole world, to the actually present athletes, the next athletes, which I think in the near future, all the athletes and most of them will run under 2 hours. And I trust that in one of the big city marathons, running under 2 hours is possible.